Yo, what up, everybody? What up? I'm just hopping on real quick just to get a quick little session, just not too serious, just something quick. Yeah, just trying to do something real quick, nothing too crazy. So we'll see how it goes, for a little bit, see how it goes. Yo. Yo, Fauci, what up, bro? I got the cheat code. Damn, bro, got the cheat code. What is it? Let me know. Bro, holding out. Alright, I'm just gonna do a few little back tests. I'm just gonna do a few little replays, and I'm gonna just do a random, select a random bar. Perfect, right here. Yep, they're gonna find out today. Ooh, damn. Alright, so let's see. So we have a bearish. Alright, so we have a bearish push down right here, I guess, so you could say. So we're pretty bearish. We have a level 1, level 2, level 3, damn, level 4, pretty much pretty bearish. So with this being said, this was the previous high that we ended up closing above, doing everything we probably needed to do. Let's see, that was that high from that point. That was that high from that point. That was that high from that point. So, all right, so look, we closed above here, closed below, so that became the low. This will be the previous low, which we did. Close back here. We went 50, boom, hit that. see what happened. All right. Yo, man. Good morning, bro. Tomorrow gold looks like it touched 2300. Yeah, bro. I think so. We'll have to see though. We'll have to see. All right. So what do I see here? What do I see here? Okay, I see this getting broken. This got broken. Oops. That got broken. And then that closed below. Then that wicked below, and then that did all of that. But it did come back down. And it didn't touch this area. So if I had to guess, right, so yeah, we closed here, so the previous low to that area would be right here. That would be the area right here. Previous low would be, I guess you could say that right there. That would technically, okay, and it did all that. Yeah, it did that. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so now when it did that, so now this says close below lower prices. So when we close below, we lower prices. So what happens is now we close below. Now we're targeting the previous low, which is this guy. We targeted this previous low, which is this guy. And we close below, wick below, come up. So lower prices, that's what we did. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so that's that right there. So now we did wick below, lower prices. So what do I see now is a 42 idea, which is technically breaking down here. So it's telling me we need to come down here. So what do I see coming down? So what do I see now is that we need to break a high and then a previous high. So I think if we come back up to this level, we could take a sell from right here. We'll be looking for a sell right here. Let's see, fellas. What do you think? What do you think? And then we'll take the sell down to this guy. Or at least down to here. We'll see down to here and then to maybe to here. Let's see. Oh, damn. Almost. Damn. That was close, y'all. That was close, though. I can't even lie to you. Like I said, I knew this needed to come down, but I figured it was gonna probably need to come up before doing that. But damn, this thing just straight up dumped. Crazy dumped. Alright, so now let's see what happens. Close below, wick below. This would be here. This would be the wick below. Close below, wick below. So that did that. So could that mean? Let's see what's next. All right, so let's see what next now. Wicked up. Does it? Damn. Somebody blew some shit up. Alright, so we are looking like we could be coming back into this range right here. So if we come back into this range, then obviously we need to tap the top of the range. That's not it. That boom, boom. Let's see. Alright, we did technically come up. Okay, look. So we did tap this area. But I'm wondering, because we tapped this low right here, could that be the bottom of the area that we might have needed to tap before going back up? So like I said, what did I had said earlier was that I thought I needed this to be tapped before going down. So there's two options. It's gonna, now that it tapped it, it's going to come back down, or it's gonna break above here and then it's gonna continue up. So it's kind of weird right now just to kind of think, but this is actually a good scenario because you also take into consideration that we are pretty bearish. We did break below to close back inside the range. So I'm wondering though, is that could we target the top of this range? Something like up here maybe. Because that did, like I said, this did tap the low, and that's where we were kind of targeting before. So since we did that, so now let's see, target right here, close above higher prices, which technically it did. So now what it's going to do is it's going to target this high right here, and then it's going to target the previous high, which is it did right there. So now okay, so I guess it would consider it being a sell from this level then. So what I would want to do is take a sell from that level. So let's just see what happens. Do we come down and then up, or do we break above and then continue up? But this will be good data so we could see exactly what this is going to mean in the future. Because like I said, for me in the future, when I knew that, like I said, I told myself this needed to be tapped before going down. Then it went down, but then now it came back up to my level. So let's see what this means. Could this mean that this could also mean, like I said, the low that got tapped over here, that could have been you know, what takes us back to the top of the range now. So since we closed back in the bottom of the range, close below, close back in, we targeted this top. Now it's going to make a decision here. It's either going to keep coming down. So that's where I would have rather took in my position, is directly straight from the top of that. Because I mean, to be honest, if we would have been able to get in, we would have been able to get in. Let's see. Oops. The heck. Oh damn. Damn, where'd it go? Oh man, that messed that up. It's all good, it's all good. It is what it is. So now we're on a Monday. Let's see, a Monday. GBP. Let's go. Always working, bro. Keep it at it, man. Hey, yo, let's go. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. My bad. I was kind of locked in for a sec. Yeah, bro. Trying to get these reps in, you know? But yeah, man. Appreciate it, bro.
Building your online business?
Yo, Shahan. Shahan, how you doing? Yeah, just doing some back testing, just doing some just taking some practice trades and stuff like that, trying to read price action. All right, so let's see. Overall, zooming out, we are in a downtrend, but looking at this over here, we did break this low. We also are above that high, so it's like this is a low right here, and then we broke below, closed back inside of this as a range, closed back inside, did all this, went above. So now we're kind of pretty much at the top of the range again. So the next idea would be to figure out what range are we in between those two guys, and then we'll be able to figure out, if we come back up here, we're going to come back down, or we're going to come back all the way down here. So that's just the idea, kind of what I have right now. But yeah, let me see right here. All right, let's see. All right, so look, let me see. I'm good, man. My name is Saddam, long-time viewer, if you remember. Yeah, Saddam, I remember you. My bad. Saddam. Oh, wait, did you just change your name again? Saddam Sultan. Yeah, I remember you, bro. But yeah, I appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you for always watching and stuff like that. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll be able to help it best I can. Yeah, I'm just gonna be on probably for like another 20-30 minutes. Nothing too crazy. I just want to get a few test trades in. Yo, mind. I want to see that gold finish impulse leg to 2280. Damn. Nice, bro. Nice. Alright, so we're kind of in this range right here. You can kind of see we're in this range. So if we're in this range right here, we touched the bottom. We did touch these lows. We broke these lows, came back up. We have this range right here. You could say there's a range, I guess, kind of or so right here. The top of the range could be somewhere like right here, and then the next range is like right there. So if that's the case, I think from my experience, from what I see a lot of times, I see a lot of things like this where like you can see, okay, right here was the one pump, didn't break through, almost the second one, but this one right here was the official one, and it did break through. And then same thing with this one, it didn't break through there, it came back down, went back up, came back down, and then went up. So it pretty much did the same thing like it did on this one. So I'm wondering if this is the same thing where it goes up, comes down, kind of comes up. So is this the area that it's going to break above here? And if it breaks above here, it has this whole clean range to target, back up to the top of that range. Yo, Captain. What up, brother? What up, brother? Laughter. Hey, my bad. My volume's always low because I'm kind of far away from my microphone. Let me know if it's a little better now that I'm a little bit closer. But yeah, I'm always kind of far from the mic. But yeah, appreciate you guys. Appreciate it. I watched and then back tested an imbalance strategy. Please check at 4-hour imbalance. 14th and 15th of June at 2308 level. Market tapped and pushed to 2369. Yeah, give me a second, bro. Give me a second. I'll check it out. Alright, so this is kind of what I'm seeing right here. This is also what I'm seeing right here. We have this as a range right here pretty much. So we touch the top, and there's a part of this that always says you could at least go 50% of this candle range right here. So if this is the 50% level right here, this would be the 50% level, which would be right here at this line. And as you can see, we tapped it perfectly. So we already tapped that 50% line right there. So that pretty much could signal that this is already done, and it's already going to pretty much do the opposite. Or this could flip and it could continue down. But from what I kind of seen is that it usually does this top wick first and then flips. But as you can see, it already made a bottom wick to flip back around. So as I'm kind of noticing, I see this as the getting tapped already. So since this has already been tapped, I'm assuming now we could possibly go start closing above here. So if we close above here, I think the next candle I would take like a bottom wick and then a buy above, breaking that candle. So we're gonna have to see how this candle closes, because from what I'm aware of, like I said, this candle right here, we close below, it signals lower prices, and technically we created lower prices. So now if we end up creating a bottom wick usually signals higher prices, and then if this candle closes above here, then that definitely signals higher prices. And then our first target, I guess you could say, is this top wick, but I would want to target this top wick. And then I guess if we could break these areas, the next area would be this top wick over here. So yeah, let's just see how this kind of plays out right now. If it closes below and it starts closing below, then I think we could start targeting these lows. But how I'm kind of seeing it is that if this is kind of the range, you could kind of see everything that we're in. Like if this whole big red candle right here ends up becoming the range, actually it's from here to here. Yeah, from there to there. Pretty much that's the range right there. So that big red candle right here is pretty much the range. So if that ends up being the range, then you could see that we've already touched the bottom of the range. What might need to happen now is we might need to touch the top of the range, but we are like kind of right at the middle. So that's kind of why I think this is also making this indecision right here. So that's why I say right here is going to be a decision maker. If it closes above, it's going to probably most likely continue up. So we're going to see how this ends up closing right now. And I'll probably be looking for a possible buy. Let's see. Alright. Okay, look at it. Closed. That one closed respecting. This one, the one that we were actually looking at, was that one. It closed respecting that area. So that also told us, though, look, lower wick below, higher prices. So with that wick below, we did create technically higher prices. And I mean, you could see how much higher we went. We did go. Is that 15 pips? Oh, okay, that is 15 pips. Yeah. Yeah. All right, so let's see. It did create another bottom wick too, so that's actually kind of a good sign. So if this candle closes, I guess the next candle we're gonna take a buy once it opens up, I guess. Because if it closes above here, that was the idea, is that I wanted to see something close above here, and also a top wick also signals a range. So we do have a range up into that point. So what could happen though is, we could do something like that, close above, maybe make our way back down and then back up. But I think this move right here down was the move down right here that I'm kind of explaining. So I think it already went down like that, and then this right here is the official breakout. So if this one ends up just breaking out, then like I said, it goes into our plan of what we kind of want. So let's see how this next candle opens up. Okay, so like that. So we'll just take a buy right here. We'll see if this is the one that ends up. Stop loss would be right here. This would be 25 pips. TP would be up here for uh 40 pips. 40 pips. Oh, stop loss. All right, so it stopped me out. All right, so that one stopped me out. But where did I have? Okay, it was right here. So this side, it did go up a little bit, but obviously, I mean, let's see. From there, it did go up 15 pips. So I mean, we could have probably managed it. Obviously, just this is in replay, so you're not able to manage it that fast, but could have possibly managed it at 10 pips. But just looking at it come down like that, I did, like I said, I did think it could possibly come down one more time. I did think it was, like I said, what usually happens, but then I also figured this was the move down before this one. So let's see if this one ends up doing it now like that. Let's see now. Or is this the is that the little sell area to come back down? Yeah, let's see this. Stop loss will be the top of here. TP will be the bottom of here. Let's see if we can make it to the bottom. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, there it goes. It flipped right there. Yup, stop me out. Boom. Damn, I kind of seen that happening too. I kind of looked like it when I seen this kind of forming. Damn it. I'm confused. Today's date, January, your chart. Oh, hey bro, this is actually 2019. It's old if you look at the time, because I put random date, so it just picked a random date because I'm just under replay mode. So under replay, it just picks a random date. So yeah, it's actually on 2019 is what this date is. So I look at the price. The price is at 1400. It's old, yeah. Yeah, I'm just kind of I now I'm looking at, I kind of figured that was going to happen right there, to be honest. I kind of seen that was possible. Because these are the lows that broke these highs, and we respected these lows. So now we probably are going to target these highs maybe like that. Oh, I'm confused. Oh, yeah. Yeah, my bad, bro. Price looks just like the last couple of weeks, though. Fluidity, what up, bro? Yeah. All right, so let's see how this one plays out now. Let's see what happens here. Boom, same thing. Getting rejected. Oh, could that be it now? Could that be the close above that we were kind of looking for? But no bottom wick. I don't really like that. No bottom wick. That created a bottom wick. That created a top wick. There it goes. Alright. Oh, damn. That thing. Dump. Wow. It's gonna need to target this guy. Wow, this is crazy though. This price is. I need to try to catch the. Oh, there it goes. Okay, it hit that a 3-piece right there. Look, a 3-piece right there. Let's see what happens if we took a buy. Stop loss back down here. TP up here. Nope. Again. And that thing is. Did it survive? Oh my gosh. That thing barely survived, but it's break even pretty much right now. No way this is just dancing around like that. Wow, it finally did it. Finally did it. Oh, and then it goes all the way back down. It was almost at TP, but it didn't hit TP. Wow, that's crazy. Look at that. That's crazy. Yeah, price is tripping right now. I can't really tell what's going on right now. I can't really tell. Let me see. Let me figure this out. Okay, we're in this range. We're in this 4-hour range right here though. Look. Range right here, range right here. We've tapped the bottom. Now we're gonna be working our way to the top. So now that we tapped that, I think what needs to happen though is that this needed to break below. Cause the bad thing about this is I can't go lower time frame because I run out TP too high. No, I would have probably closed it right at that level, right, like right here. I would have probably closed it, but I just wanted to see if it was gonna go up. But like I said, I could already tell at that level it was already kind of struggling. But we are also freaking ranging right here, so that's also not a good area to be trying to take a trade. I should have been in the buys here or taking buys at the, like, this is one of my rules that I've been working on right now that I'm thinking about it. I didn't even think about doing it. When I'm looking for a buy, I'm not trying to take a buy on a breakout right here to go up. Where I want to buy is on a push down like right here, and I take the buy down here, and then I ride it all the way up to at least the top of the range, if not the actual breakout, like if this one was the trade I was taking. So that way, because the thing is it was kind of weird the other day. It kind of just hit me out of nowhere. I don't know if you got, like, just try to follow along with me when I say this, is that what I noticed was it was weird. It just kind of like stood out to me. So, like, let's say I was trying to take a sell, for instance. Let's say I was trying to take a sell from right here, and that's where my sell was going to be from. Where I had my stop loss would have been the previous high, was like somewhere right here, right? When I was gonna take the trade, let's say I think I was gonna take it like right here or something. When I seen where my stop loss would be at, I was like, that is exactly where it could retrace to try to stop me out. So pretty much what I was trying to say though is when I was getting into, like, before I was thinking about taking a sell, and when I was about to take a sell, where I was looking at where my stop loss would have been at, which would say, let's just for instance say somewhere up here, the way it was looking, it was like there's no way that that's going to be it it's not, it's going to go up to that level and tap me out the same way, kind of like how this level was, how I kind of was thinking, okay, I need to take a buy, this and that, I need to take a buy, right? And my TP was right here, but it ended up going just right here. But that's what I was pretty much trying to say though, is that, and then you seen how I went right back after to my stop loss. Like, my stop loss was right here, so we started going down almost towards it, and then we almost went to my TP, didn't hit it, and then we went right back to my entry. So pretty much what I was saying though is that my entry was right here, we went up, and then we went right back to where my entry was at. So what I was pretty much trying to say is, yesterday when I was about to get into a trade, I realized my stop loss would be exactly where it would need to go back to. And I just seen it. It was kind of crazy how I seen it. And once I seen it, then I was like, okay, and it changed my bias. So I was like, okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a buy in that direction, because it needs to. It's almost like if I was about to take a buy right here, and I'm like, no, I'm gonna end up taking a sell, and I end up taking this sell right here. It was just kind of one of those things where it just worked out perfectly. It just, I was just able to see it. But yeah, but for instance, but yeah, so for anything, but anyways, like I'm saying, is we need to tap this top of the range. If we're gonna take a buy, we're looking for buys to come down to go up. I'm not looking for no breakouts like that. I'm looking for buys down here, which is probably something like this. So that's probably where I should have taken it at. But let's see. I think. Yeah. So all right. So what I'm kind of trying to do is, I'm wondering if this would have been a good buy area, just because. But the thing is, I can't go to a lower time frame to see if it was really the one that we would have wanted. Okay, let's see. So we gotta go 50. So we still need to come down, I think, right here. We need to come down at least a little bit more. So that's still gonna be, that's only 10 pips. So we need to come down here at least. So we're gonna see how it reacts at this level. If anything, it might need to come all the way back down to here, and then if it comes down to there, then it's gonna need to break this low right here. So what we're kind of gonna do is just kind of see how it starts to react at these levels. Like I said, it needs to come and tap this yellow dotted line. I believe it needs to tap this dotted line, meaning it needs to come down. So if it comes down, this is where it's going to make a decision at. And then it's going to say, this is where I'm saying, this is where we're going to be watching it at. All right, actually, let me see something real quick. Okay, down here to this dotted line. Alright, so I'm kind of, oh, okay, now it's starting to push up. So I'm wondering if this was enough then, if this was the official move down to go up. Created that, so, oh, you know what? Look, okay, let's see if this could be a possible entry area somewhere down here. Alright, let's see if we were to take a buy. If this is the right area, then it should be good right here. If it's the wrong area, then it shouldn't, it's just gonna continue down. Alright, yep, so it's the wrong area. And that's where I was saying though, is that if it was the wrong area, or you know what? And then you know what? That's exactly what I just said right now though, was that I needed this line to get tapped. That was exactly the line that I had right here for this reason. That was my original idea though, so now it makes sense, is that this move right here wasn't the move yet, because it needed to tap this level, and then that's the level I believe now it's gonna probably go up. But let's see. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong, but let's see. Alright, there it goes. Okay, now it's gonna probably continue up even more. Damn. Let's see. Is it gonna go all the way up, or is it done after that? Oh, it might be done. That is the high over there. Yeah, that thing is dumping. Let's see. Are we gonna make it back to that entry? Oops. Let's see. If we break this low, I'll probably get me out. Damn, it didn't get me out. I was about to. Damn. So it went back break even. I probably would have closed it out by then. Okay, there it goes. So then that means the sell is going to be valid. See, damn it, now it's just gonna go back up. Damn, this thing is in the, man, I can't pick the right direction right now. Look, it just did the same thing. So look, I'm gonna press buy right now, but it's going against me, so I'm gonna press sell and then watch it go. Well, let's see. And then, well, I'm trying to do the opposite of what I should be doing. Oh, let's see. Let me find. Oh nope, it went up. All right, yeah, it did the exact opposite of what I ended up doing, which was to sell. But what did say though earlier? All right, so like this is a good teaching lesson to begin with, is that if you guys remember, what was I saying in the beginning is that this was the range. There's the top of the range, there's the bottom of the range, right? I said the bottom needed to be tapped, most likely the top needed to be tapped. So what should I be doing all the way up? I should be looking for buys all the way up. I shouldn't be taking no sells. I shouldn't be doing all these other little trades in between these guys. I should have taken my buy from here, and if I didn't get in, I should have taken my buy from here, and if I didn't, I should have taken my buy here, should have taken my buy here, buy here, buy here, all to target this top range. So pretty much what I'm just trying to say is, when you have a bias and you have a target, that's the target that you need to tap. And we were already saying we needed to tap up to that level. So kind of me playing around right now, just not taking it as serious, is also the reason why I was losing all these trades, because I'm over here taking trades that I probably shouldn't have been taking. Understanding that we need to tap this top, why am I taking sales? You know what I mean? Why am I doing this or why am I doing that? It just should be looking for buys, holding the buys, letting the buys run, things like that. But that's why I say it's actually a good teaching moment right now, because I just seen that, because it just made sense now that we did come all the way to the top of the range like we were expecting. That's exactly like we were talking about, is that we needed to come up to the top of the range. So what do you think needs to happen right here? It probably needs to come back up to the top of the range. So what I'm probably going to do is take a buy right here, and this is one of the buys part of the plan. So let's see if this could be part of the plan. If we just maybe move it right here, 30 pips stop loss, TP would be up here to the top, 42. Let's see how this goes. Ooh, damn, that thing got close. Let's go. Hit that. Hit that TP. Hit that TP. Oh, come on. You're not trying to hit that TP? There it goes. Hit it. We hit it. All right, y'all. So that was more like my trade right there. You see that? Did you see how easy that was? Not saying it was easy, but understanding the bias that we're in. Understanding that we're in a bullish bias. So we shouldn't be looking for no sells right now, and we should only be looking for buys at the bottom of fucking ranges. Sorry about the cussing. I just slipping. I don't know why I even cussed. That was kind of cringe, but pretty much what I'm saying though is that we're looking for buys on sweeps of lows and things like that. So that's what I'm looking for, and that's why I said this is a buy that's part of our plan, so we should take this buy. That was part of our plan. Everything was part of our plan. We even had our stop loss in this area that was perfect, because we knew this previous low could get targeted, and that's exactly what happened. So it was actually pretty cool that that happened like that. That was pretty cool. But yeah, like I said, that's why understanding your direction, where you're heading and things like that, why it's so important, because you need to know where you're heading, so that way you could have a sense of direction. When we knew this area needed to be tapped, that explains why every time we would see a pullback or something, we should be taking a buy. We shouldn't be taking no buys on no breakouts like this, because look at, we also come back into these like that. You don't want that. You should be taking these buys down here. You should be taking these buys down here on these sweeps, things like that. You feel me? Is anybody still watching though? Is anybody still watching? I might be getting off right now. I want to end it on a good one. That was a pretty good one. We got 5 people watching. 5 people watching. I appreciate you guys for watching. Appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe. But yeah, I'm gonna head off right now. It's already getting kind of late. I gotta get off. I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.